Ah, boy. That Dennis Hopper is something else, isn't he? Ah, boy. So, what's next on the old agenda? Well, let's take a look. So let's see. Let's see. What have I got? Oh, I forgot something I completely forgot about. Now this one is not game per se, but I think it's pretty spooky, and I think you're gonna love it. I did take Handsy Boy off the screen, right? Gotta double check. Yeah, I did. Okay. So what this is a thing that you could use. Let's say you were a real Halloween enthusiast back in 1991, and you had a brand new computer with a DOS operating system and a Sound Blaster card. Well, you can play any number of spooky sounds from this Haunted House Sounds program. Ooh. Ooh, that's the spookiest one. Ah! Ah! So those were all numbers. Then Q. This is the QWERTY row. This is literally freaking me right out. Now this is the row starting with A. Oh, that rules. How'd they get a clip of me now in 1991? This was in Zargon? It wouldn't surprise me. These are all probably sounds the guy was able to find in like free libraries back in the 90s, so. What? That's just Alvin from Alvin and the Chipmunks, like stubbing his toe. I kind of really want to hook this up to the haunted house that I work at. Just for shits and giggles. Okay, that's the whole A row there. This is the Z row. Oh, the goofy holler? Oh no, it's witchcackle.aiff! Oh, this is the lightning sound that it keeps playing anyways. Oh! Okay, cool. The space bar. The space bar turns on and off the automatic lightning sounds for the lightning. Whoa! Haunted House Sounds version 2.0 by Larry Tipton, 1991. Shareware notice. Haunted House Sounds is user-supported software. It is made available for a free 10-day trial period. If you find this program useful, please register the program by sending $5 to Larry Tipton, 107 Stratford Drive, Colonial Heights, Virginia, 23834. If you'd like to contact me, I can be reached through any of these fine BBSs: Another Dimension, Blue Ridge Express, Infolink, Rusty and Edie's, and Unique and Nifty. Now, if you can believe it, I was not a guy who was around for BBSs. I was not. But I know Rusty and Edie's because I have a random a CD called GIFs Galore that has like all sorts of like early 90s and late 80s GIFs on it. And a number of them advertised BBSs, and a lot of them advertised Rusty and Edie's. Crazy.